finally a win for the Dallas Mavericks. Finally a win for them. So the Dallas Mavericks defeat Indiana Pacers. And I know what you guys are going to say. There is nothing to be worried about for the Dallas Mavericks. They're missing some key players. Okay. I agree with you there. But just with the standpoint of mentality, of mental game, it is nice to see after 3-game winning streak that the Mavs are back on the win column. That's it. So let's go. My name is Alex and I like to talk about NBA basketball. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe, guys, give a like on this video, and let's get straight to the business. So, like I said, the Dallas Mavericks defeated Indiana Pacers. Well, main point of this game is basically this. This is proof how Pacers badly miss Miles Turner, and this is proof how Mavs badly misses Dorian Finney-Smith, Jay Richardson, Maxi Kleber. Because Mavs were eating under the paint, feasting, and Pacers were feasting on the 3-ball. And yeah, wouldn't you agree? I really, that is my main takeaway from this game. Look, Domantas Sabonis, my man, I already talked about this guy. He's an amazing player. He really stepped up in this season. But he is an incredibly versatile offensive player, but he really needs Turner next to him, because Turner provides so great defensive game that it's just, if you watch the games, it's night and day. It's basically night and day. And like Sabonis play great defense on Luka for a lot of his drives. He forced some wild attempts, but Luka knows how to make them also. So that's it. And look, Luka Doncic came prepared for this game. He did not shoot really well, but he came prepared. Because just like in the Toronto Raptors game, there are many times when he was double teamed. And this time, well, first of all, he made some amazing passes. Really fantastic and amazing passes. Please watch the highlights of the game, at least highlights, if not the entire game, so you will see what I'm talking about. And the next thing is, his teammates were shooting the ball great. And that is that. So Tim Hardaway Jr., 19 points, Kristaps Porzingis 27, Jalen Brunson 19, Trey Burke with 22, Willie Cauley-Stein with 10. I know, it just amazing to see. Amazing to see that we are finally on the win. Finally on the win. And my man Kristaps Porzingis played like his true self. He finally got his legs under him. There was no one on the defensive end to stop him. So he was feasting. He got so many open looks because look, he shot 12 of 15 from the field. Luka provided him with some great looks, easy dunks. So it was money for Kristaps Porzingis. And you see how much he provides on the defensive end. Even, let's just say, without even trying, because he's so long and tall that even if he raises his arms a bit, he creates that umbrella effect, let's just say, under that basket. So, congrats to you, Kristaps Porzingis, on the great comeback game. Also, congrats to you, Tim Hardaway Jr. The last game you were shooting horribly. There is no way around it. But you stay confident and you showed. This is why you are a third guy for the Dallas Mavericks. I still have some questions for you, but as of right now, congrats to you. I would just like to point one bad thing from this game. I saw Willie Cauley-Stein missed like 2 basically open dunks, and that got me thinking. I saw that before. And I went to the stats, and he is now 17 of 25 on dunk attempts, on clean dunk attempts, and 9 of 14 from alley-oops. So this man is not a great finisher. He is really not. He gets so many open looks, so many easy dunks, but he finds a way to miss them. What is that all about? I mean, does some of you know what is that all about? Because it's interesting to see, to say the least. If you know if he was doing that before, please let me know. Let's talk about that, because he has some truly horrible hands. I mean, yeah. And another thing is Jalen Brunson. I mean, 19 points, 3 boards, 4 assists. In 3 games as a starter this season, he's averaging 21 points, 3.3 rebounds, and 4.3 assists per game, while shooting 57 from the field and 46 from the deep and 100% from the free throw line. I know that this is a small sample size, but as of right now, he really looks great. He improved so much, and just impressed by him. So props to you, Jalen Brunson. And that is it from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like it, subscribe, give a like on this video so we can talk these Dallas Mavericks European players to the max on this YouTube channel. And I hope you're having a nice day. Please stay safe, and that's it from me. Bye.